President, the thing is serious. The LRA wants peace. Uganda, the government of Uganda, must tell us its position there. Because both of you are fighting in our land. UPDF is in our land. We did not bring the UPDF.
All the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. A wimmawa, a wimmawa, a wimmawa, a wimmawa, a wimmawa.
To Southern Sudan, it was the previous government. You were supported by the previous government.
Meet you, and you cannot meet me. But only that you are serious and you are not happy about what is happening in Southern Sudan. Because we are all brothers, we are all Christians, we are all blacks, we are all Africans. That is why I'm also talking to you. So I want you to know very well that we the LRA, we want peace and we agree for what you are going to say to us. We agree of it. We don't want to fight. We don't want to change fire with SPLA. We want to talk with Museveni government also. But only that, Museveni did not want to talk with us. If you go to Uganda and you ask our peace talk which passed long ago, you will see that, or you will hear that LRA is the first, Joseph Kony is the first man to call Museveni for peace talk. Not Museveni, who called peace talk last time, 1993 and 94. We are the one who called that thing.
My darling, the lion sleeps tonight. We
as you want. LRA also, they are fighters who want their war also to be finished, or they want to stop war as you are now, not fighting with Arab. But in a good way, it's not in a local way as Museveni wants. I'm agree of it, but you should get and you should plan together with us how to talk with Museveni. Because me, I know Museveni is a person who did not want the idea of anybody. He's a Ghana man. He talks through Ghana always. This is what you should know. So with me, I'm agree of it. It depends on how we are going to plan, how we are going to talk, how we are going to do what.
Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight.